What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're actually doing some maintenance, so no mods being installed or anything fancy. We're just doing some maintenance. It is time to do our engine filters and our cabin filter, so why not show you guys how to do it. I guess why not figure out how to do it, and while I'm doing so, show you guys how to do it. First things we're gonna do is our engine air filters. So since we have two turbos, we have two air intakes. I decided to go for BMC intakes due to amazing reviews and feedback I've heard about them in the community. You can get those for yourself. The link is down in the description below, and let's see how we go about doing this. All right, so man, I just saw there's like no gap. This all just looks so nice and flush. Man, I really like that. Really like that mod. But anyway, so basically we have two of those filters in here. They're gonna go in under this box. These are all star looking screws. Okay, knowing BMW, probably something like a T25 or something like that. First things first, we're gonna have to release this brace. The problem with this brace is that it is tied also, it is fastened also here, and we cannot, obviously get to that because of this cover. So we're gonna have to get the cover off. These are just the little rivets. I'm just gonna use this, but not press very hard. So we're just gonna use it to grab on and then pull straight up like so, while being pretty loose. And repeat the process here. Done that, we can just kind of bend this back because we don't need to take it all the way out. Now we can see this. To get good access to this, you can just pull this out. So now we can see this was 18, so it must be 18 and 17, so we'll get that going. Now that we were able to do that, we will need to get our flathead and loosen this up, but it's easier to do with two hands. So all right, so this is the old filter. We can see what it looks like right here, and this is the new filter. It's much more sturdy, and yeah, looks like it would allow for way more airflow than this filter, the factory one. So yeah, this should be pretty simple here. Just pop it in here like so, and we're all set. Now we just have to put the cover back on. Okay, with everything kind of back snug the way it was, we're now gonna tighten this real quick, and then we're gonna tighten the brace back up, put this back on like so, and put the rivets in, and we're done with this side. Of course, on this side as well, you're not gonna be able to have clearance for this, so you'll have to take this cover off, and it's also, you just pull it straight up and you're good to go. All right guys, and this is the filter combo that I bought for the cabin filter. This is actually what they look like. Nice, and they're cool black. It's like some kind of carbon filter. Even come with instructions, which according to this, it's all pretty simple to do. So yeah, we're gonna essentially locate our glove box, open it. There's gonna be two tabs to turn according to step 3. Then we pull it down, 2 screws to pull out, and then pull it down, take 2 filters out, put 2 filters in, and we're all good to go. All right, and you can actually see the direction of airflow on these, so we're just gonna pay attention to that when we were taking the old ones out. And yeah. Okay guys, so now we're here. We don't actually need to open the glove box. We have to look past the glove box, and there's gonna be one tab right here. This tab, you actually just twist up like so. There's gonna be another tab right here. This tab we will also just grab and twist, so like so. we were able to get this to come down. So now what we need to do is get a little screwdriver, and there's going to be 2 screws to undo. So one right here and one right here. Once we undo those, we're all set. Okay, so we got the screws out, so now we should actually be able to just drop this little piece down. That's what I thought anyway. There it goes. Looks like our filter is already there. And the other one is pulled out one filter. The airflow marks like it's going like so. So away. I'm trying to get to the other filter, but it's not, it didn't just drop on its own like the first one did. So I'm trying to see what that's all about. But you can just like kind of grab underneath and pull it down like so. So again, airflow going away like so. We'll go back and put this old one through first. We have both of them lined up, so now we can, we have both of them lined up so they can both just go straight in here like so. First we're gonna have to get this back on there. So the problem is that I think that I broke this tab. It's not a car noob video if we don't break something. But anyway, we're gonna have to use this little thing, little white thing, this little white thing that we took off. So we're gonna have to put that back on and then align everything to screw.
6.5 hours later.
What's up, guys? We are at a car meet. We are here for the Rocky Mountain chapter of BMW Car Club. They organized a little middle of the week meet, so I thought I would come out and hang out with a couple of BMWs. It's not actually a big meet, but I think they're hoping to make this a monthly thing, so yeah. They organize it here at Sonic. It's called Beamer Burger Night. We have our M5 here, looking good. We have a couple other really cool BMWs. M8 Rain Coupe, which is the same color as ours.
I have
M235.
so I have an X3. Okay.
I don't really see these a lot.
When you see new whip is
Like 8.
Put the top halfway up and you get a picture.
Yeah? No, I'm doing a little video for my YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you can do a video of the top going up.
Oh yeah? Let's do it. Let's see it. So this is the i8 Roadster, right?
Yeah. It's pretty interesting how the Germans did that. So.
Let's take a look.
Yeah.
That's always a good thing.
Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Well, always for whatever reason. Obviously, with it down, it's sexy.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I like
Yeah, it's a fun design.
Check it out.
The rear window down.
36 M3. Beautiful color. Back in the M5, we're gonna head back. That was a nice little quick meet, not a crazy turnout, but it was still pretty good. So a few friends with cool cars, and yeah, definitely hoping to see more cars, but this was also announced kind of just like less than 24 hours before, so not a lot of expectation towards any big crowds, but still at the same time it was pretty cool. I always like the evening meets, the golden hour meets, because the lighting looks nice. I don't have to struggle with harsh light or anything like that. So yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video very soon. Cheers.